Write the decimal as a fraction in simplest form. So we have the decimal 0.6, which is 6/10 because the 6 is in the tenths place. So we can rewrite this as 6/10. We can simplify the fraction by dividing the numerator and denominator by 2. This gives us 3/5. Write the decimal as a fraction in simplest form. 0.375 is 375 thousandths because the 375 is in the thousands place. So we can rewrite this as 375/1000. We can simplify by dividing the numerator and denominator by 125. This gives us 3/8.